It's the fall, and I always look over my lights out kit in the fall and in the spring just to make sure I need the supplies in case, you got it, power goes out, no lights. So let's see what I have in my kit. First off, you'll notice I have these letters here. They actually glow in the dark. So in the closet, lights go out, you can still see this, and you can easily get it down and get into your supplies. Now I have this stock full. I mean, just let me show you here. Okay, can you see? Yeah. Let's see what I got in there. Oops, I should mention I'm Prepper Potpourri, and I believe that everyone should be as self-reliant as possible. So I make videos on emergency preparedness, on canning, on cooking, gardening, and I've been doing it for over 10 years on YouTube. So appreciate, if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want to get more video information from me, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay. Well, I think one of the important things is light, right? And a lights out kit. So this is a Lucci inflatable solar light. Nice, doesn't take up much space. Okay. Storm candle. It's a big candle. It says effective for up to 35 hours. And I even have matches on top. Nice thing to have. Well, this is called the Blackout Buddy. And what it is, it's water activated emergency light. It says you simply add water once per day to keep the light shining for up to 72 hours, continuous hours. So pretty neat little product because you don't even need batteries. Well, here's more. 6 emergency candles. Oh, more emergency candles. I believe these were Dollar Tree. And let's see here. Yep, life gear. Again, a light. This is great for kids to have. Oops. More candles. More candles. And more candles. But you know, be careful with candles because every year there are house fires because of candles. And when you have a blackout or at Christmas time, even more chance of having a house fire. So what's this? Oh, some matches. Okay. Yes, more candles. We have 4 fireplaces, so these are long matches, which is great for lighting the fireplace for warmth in a blackout and light. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is another survival candle. Let's see. Again in the light, this is a solar lantern. Don't need any extra power. Very nice for carrying that with you, especially if you have to go outside or maybe back and forth to the restroom. The kind of light that I think, though, more important than your flashlights is a headlamp because you can easily wear it and go about your business and still have 2 hands free. Okay. But I do have this little dynamo flashlight. Yep. It has only 3 LEDs, but it is one of those, if you squeeze the handle continuously, instead of going like that, you can get light, so you don't need batteries. Something else very, very important, radio. This is an emergency radio that I have. I like it because it has, right, the solar power here, and over here, it has the crank if you need it. Although I wouldn't depend on that because it is plastic and I would think it'd be pretty easy to break. And of course, it also takes batteries. So it's solar charged, crank, takes batteries, and this one has the NOAA weather alert. Very important. Let's say it's a tornado or some other reason, maybe a hurricane, while you're blacking out. But I have another radio too, and this is a little bit more portable, and this gets AM, FM. So again, does have the hand crank option, and it has the solar option. Okay, entertainment, some playing cards. Oh yeah, here is another flashlight, and I have 2 of these in there, and again, these are flashlights that could be used, right? Kids seem to like these. Right? You see the light starting? Yeah. Okay. So just in case you don't have batteries, this will work. Get it back. And to light all those candles, I have a Click and Flame, 2 of them. They're nice and long, so great for doing either your fireplace or candles or your grill. And I have another one of those rotating lights. We always think of heat when the power goes out, but sometimes it's summer, and so we want air, right? Might not get it when your power goes out and your lights go out. So in this case, it's a deluxe water misting fan. Want to talk about warmth? You can have some emergency blankets just in case. And then we have this nice lantern. It is battery operated, but it's great. It's very heavy duty. Then we have 40-hour citronella candle, which not only will give you light, but hopefully keep the mosquitoes away. And this is just a little cheap one I got at Dollar Tree, mini LED with a carabiner. Just kind of nice for clipping onto your coat or something. And then we have, these are your Dollar Tree candles. Can you see that they've been used? They have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all the things that I keep in my kit. I want to make sure that I have multiple sources of light, be it the old-fashioned candle way, through flashlights, be battery, charged by USB, or good old hand cranking, right? I also want to make sure that I have light that's a headlamp. Again, really think these are important. Now you will notice you didn't see batteries in here. I do keep batteries in a separate place, and I have them all categorized, all the different kinds of batteries. But if you don't do that, in your lights out kit, make sure you have adequate batteries. And very important, in addition to all your lighting sources, have a good radio you can depend on. Get your NOAA weather broadcasts. You might also want to get shortwave broadcasts, AM, FM. This will keep you informed, and it will also keep you entertained while you're playing with those cards. So anyway, this is what I keep in my lights out kit. Everybody in the house knows where my lights out kit is. It is easily assessed. It is easy to get to in a closet, and it has come in numerous times handy. Now, we have a whole house generator, so I haven't needed this as much. But that doesn't mean that I wouldn't need some of this when we go out into our outbuilding, when we're going out to feed the chickens or the rabbits, things like that. So I still want to make sure that my lights out kit is packed for the unexpected. And the way weather's been going lately, there's been a lot of unexpected. We've been losing power quite often because of downed trees, because of high wind, not necessarily tornadoes, but just high wind. And our power, last time it went out for 3 days. And way back when, we actually lost power in the middle of winter, and it got down to below 0 at night, and we had power without, I think it was like 3.5 days. So that's another video. But I hope you found this lights out kit helpful. And now I just gotta figure out how to get all of this back in here so it fits again. Always stay safe, be prepared, and share the knowledge. Thank you.